most of students come into campus, most of students come motivated to study, but when they feel like they're going to study, when they open the book, they feel like it's a lot of things to study, so they're not sure where to start, they're not sure what to start with.
A lot of my junior students, junior friends have had a lot of difficulties understanding what the lecturer is looking for in terms of how to answer certain questions, as well as what to study, what kind of reference they can refer to.
MySenior is a website where I can find tutoring for courses that I cannot find anyone, or maybe the lecturers are not having any time to give us more tutorial classes or give us more information about it. And the website has a lot of information here, but it does not cover what we need exactly. So MySenior is a good platform for people who wants to know the shortcut or to know how to study for the courses that are provided in our school.
MySenior would enable students to learn through a less intimidating way because they're learning from their peers. The same concept as being discussed in class. They might feel intimidated with the lecturers and professors. They can ask their colleagues or just a senior.
I personally face the difficulty. So like any other student, of course, they must have faced the same thing. So with the presence of these private tutors and this platform, is definitely a good way for them to interact with each other and make full use of it.
I really recommend it to my friends because we have two communications. When a lecturer teaches, that's a communication between a lecturer and the class. And when you sit down with a senior, that's a communication from one-to-one. So in my opinion, one-to-one is always the best. Why? Because your tutor, or in this case your lecturer, doesn't leave unless he understands that you understood all the points. And since he's your senior, he knows what would come up in the final, so he will focus on what you need and what you can study later and what you need to understand right now.
It's easier job as a student because it has everything that you'll think of. If you need someone to teach you, there's tutors there. If you need something to refer to, there's past papers there. If you need extra skills which are not covered in classes, there are skills there. So yeah, please do join MySenior.